In this video, I'm gonna be taking my haircut from this to this. Alright, so first off, we're gonna need a few things because I'm self-cutting my own hair, and plus I'm gonna be doing it outside where the lighting is better because well, inside here isn't really that much light. So the tools I'm gonna need is one, I'm gonna need a mirror. Next to it, my hair cutter, right? I have two of these actually, right? One and two. One is made for shaving the hair, one is made for lining up the hair. I could rotate them either or, but this one is used the more, like, I don't know if you can tell, but like the more golden one. This is more yellow or more golden than, you know, this one. This look kind of palish. This one is used for cutting the hair. This one is used for lining it up. At least that's how I do it. Next, I got a bond. Use to tie up my hair, because well, I need to see everything needs to be out the way, you know. So I actually use two. When I'm cutting my hair, I use two. One is to hold up the hair, and then one is to be put at the like edges, so I wouldn't cut my actual locks. You know what I mean? That's what I do. So I would have two. Other times I would just like put my hand here and then, you know, use the cutter. Next, we have my pick. This is mainly for like my beard. Well, this is only for my beard, realistically, right? You got a small comb, you know, for all around on the bed and the sides. You know what I mean? Then we have the guards, you know, the different types of guards for the cutters. The clips for my cutters range from like 4, 3, 2, and 1.5. Now I need, you know, I would look for lower cutters, but I can't really find the lower cutters aren't made for this model type. You know, this shape head. So like I just have to stick with this and just get another cutter or something to match for, because I would like to get to a 1 and a 0.5, but the lowest I have is 1.5. You know, so 4, 3, 2, and 1.5 is what I have. You know, but if I cut people and they want to go lower, I can need a 1 and a 0.5, you know. So, but yeah, those are the 4 I got right now. I mainly only use, when my hair is like this ain't really that high. I would mainly only use 1.5 and 2. The 3 is when I get like, you know, kind of bushy, but 4 I don't really need a 4. The highest I would need is 3, because I just cut my hair like once a week or once every 2 weeks, depending on, you know, what I want. But for this, I mainly just cut my hair like once every 2 weeks. I might, if for every week, I might just need to line up my hair rather than actually cut, you know, the sides. But in this instance, I'll shave it down a little bit, cut it, comb it out, you know. Next I have a brush. This is mainly just for, and yes, it looks like a shoe brush, which not in a sense, but it actually is, but I never used it on the shoe. So anyway, I never use it on a shoe, or at least I think I didn't dust it off well, I don't know. But yeah, I just use this to brush all around, even the beard, because well, I don't have my own personal regular brush, and I already get comfortable using this, so it is what it is, right? So we got the mirror, the 2 cutters, the brush, the pick, small comb, bands, 2 bands, and then the three clips, the three clips, right? Other than that, let's get started. Messy and, you know, out of style. So one, I'm not able to like retwist my own hair as yet, but I hired someone who locally does hair, like a local hairstylist in the area, that one, she charges a good price compared to what I paid, way better than what I paid before. And 2, she comes to you. You don't have to go to her. You could just send her your location and she'll pull up on you with all the equipment and supplies and do your hair in the comfort of your home. So 1, I'm getting charged $45, which is a good price compared to what I paid before. And 2, I don't have to go nowhere. She could just come right here where I am. Number 2, on top of getting our hair done, we also need to wash our hair. So one, I need to cut my hair. I need to get my hair retwisted, but I also gotta wash my hair, which is number 2, and I'm saying 3 things. But number 2, I gotta wash my hair. Right? The product that I use is Sulfur 8. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo, right? Because I got a lot of buildup and stuff. I would have to use an anti-dandruff shampoo. Normally before I would be using stuff like Aussie and stuff like Aussie, or I would use like a coconut brand based, like I think it's Suave before, but you know, these things didn't work, so it's recommended that you use this. It worked before, but then when it worked, I shifted back to the regular shampoo. So I'm gonna be using this again because I know it works, and yeah, because I know it works. So this is number 2 would be to wash my hair, and last but not least, I'm gonna be cutting my hair. At the moment right now, I'm gonna wash my hair. Then my hairstylist is gonna be coming later on in the afternoon and retwist my hair. Then afterwards, I'm gonna be cutting my hair, and then you're gonna see the finished product. You know what I mean? So hopefully all those things happen on time. Whereas right now, I'm gonna start washing my hair, prepare for the afternoon. I got time. I got plenty of time before she reaches, but that plenty of time is also like time for my hair to dry up or whatever. Yeah, I just washed my hair. I apologize because I kind of forget to record, because like as soon as I get in, I was playing a Young Boy song called If You Need Me. It's new. It's like a few days old, maybe like 2 weeks and something old. You know what I mean? And I was so into it. Like that's my first. I was so into it. Like I put it. Like I go into the settings and put the song on loop, and I just was singing it over and over, and then I just ended up washing my hair, and I was like, oh. After like when it's time to come out, I was like, oh yeah, I supposed to record. And if y'all think this should be a style, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. You know what I mean? Cause I'm digging it. You know. But she's outside, and I'm about to get my hair did, so she ain't really like the recording person. So unfortunately, y'all just got to see when I'm done. So yeah. Yeah, I like it. I really like how she looks, you know what I'm saying? But the hard part is over, so I can move to the semi-hard part. Okay, so I'm about to start cutting my hair, you know? I really like it. But yeah, we're gonna start off with the, anyway. Alright, so about to get started. First of all, yes, I'm doing this outside, but the first step we're gonna take is I'm gonna be tying up my hair. Next, after we're ready and all set to go, we can begin. So first of all, I'm going to be combing out the hair because, well, it's easy and tying them together. Next, I'm going to be adding the number 2 guard on it. We'll be going around my hair to cut off the extra hairs. First of all, I start in the front, make sure I'm combing it out as I go, and continuing to shave it down. I'm going to be doing this in front, and then for the back parts, what I can't see, I'm just going to be feeling around and cutting it down. The parts that I could feel, I shave down. This process took a lot longer than I thought because, well, I only rely on what I feel, not what I actually see. But it still came out working out, and I just keep going over it with the number 2 guard, and then after I'm done, I go to the number 1. Now, after we're done with that, we're going to be cutting it. Every time we cut it, we always follow the rule, touch the line and go down. Alright, same thing with the sides and the beard. Touch the line, go down, touch the line, go up. And this is the finished product. I like it, but my forehead big though. But yeah, I like it. I like it. Alright, boy, my forehead big with you. Alright, if you made this far in the video, be sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I really appreciate it for you guys making it this far. You know, but you know, make sure to put in the comments about how do you like it. You know, like what do you think about it? You know what I'm saying? I like it. I like what I've done. Let me know in the comments if I should do more videos like this, pertaining to cutting hair, skincare routine, and other stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? But I appreciate you guys for making this far, and I'll see you in the next video.